What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Cars Cartoon Nostalgia Universe, and today I'm going to be fixing her umbrella. I'm going to be fixing my Peppermint Norman's umbrella arm. I already got her scarf off, but you could guarantee what she look like without her scarf, just a longer neck. So I'm just going to cut her back open and um I'll update you guys. Okay, I got the back open and somehow the foam her original foam is destroying. So I decided to replace a new one, which is thicker, but I can't even slide it onto the hand because the thread, because this loop right here is so to here, so I have no choice but to pull it out, like remove the thread. I just have no choice to do it. So I just have to remove the pins first, then get to the head. So I'll update you guys. Okay, I got two short pins that are in the left hip shell, and I got this long pin for the spinning arm, and got this off, and I got the hard plastic head off. Now I'm left with the fun part. Alright guys, I fixed her umbrella arm, but as far I could see, it's tight. And when the gear I placed her umbrella arm, it sounded like it's splitting when it goes up. It sounds like it's splitting for some reason. Yeah. But when it goes down, it doesn't sound like it's splitting or grinding. But otherwise, she's fixed. Oh no. So yeah.